This is the laziest way you can start earning between $2,000 and $7,000 a month just using your Instagram. My name is Martin, I'm 19 years old, and for the past year, I have been making over $6,000 a month using this new booming business model. And I say it's lazy because you don't have to handle marketing, fulfillment, or any other bullshit. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how this all works and how you can get started and see similar results to mine. PS, this literally made me quit all of my medical university plans and go all in on the online space. So I'm sure all of you have seen how massive the online coaching space has become, how there's new coaches every single day and whatever niche, dating coaches, fitness coaches, finance coaches, business coaches, you name it, aka course sellers or gurus. All of these guys seem to promote some type of business or lifestyle and say this has changed your life, when in reality what's actually changed your life is the coaching itself. I'm sure you've all fallen for it. Iman Gadzhi, Andrew Tate, all these dropshipping SMA coaches, all of us, even me, when I started out, like I've done dropshipping on SMA because I fell victim to all these videos. Basically, they make more money not by actually doing the actual business model they promote. They make the money by selling education on how to do it. And this has completely blown up and everyone nowadays seems to be a coach. And I don't blame them. It's a ridiculously genius model. They get to keep around 80% of their profits, and there's a massive demand for online coaches than ever before. People are buying things online every single day. They're buying random things. They don't give a shit anymore. People are just buying. Selling online has never ever been easier. So basically what these coaches do is they sell these high ticket programs, meaning they vary from $2,000 to $12,000, $15,000 programs, right? And basically there you get access to their courses, to them as well, one-to-one mentorships, all that jazz. And instead of selling hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products, they get to sell 8 products at $10,000 and make $80,000 a month. Yes, it's that insane. But online coaching is not for everyone because you have to spend hours and hours making content, posting it, doing actual fulfillment, spending so many hours mentoring people. It's a very busy lifestyle. And I was wondering, is there a way for me to capitalize on this massive coaching trend without actually being a coach and creating content myself? Let me spoil the secret, there is. That's exactly what appointment setting is. So, to break it down, all these coaches, they post content, they run ads to funnel people to buy their coaching program. But since it's high ticket, you can't just put up as a link and write like, buy my $10,000 coaching program. No one's going to buy it. They need to be sold to. And that's what appointment setters are. It's basically a sales position. You get inside the Instagram and then you handle all the leads coming in. Everyone that's following, you reach out to them, you qualify them, find out if they're interested in what you're selling, and then you book them for a call with a person called a closer. The closer is the one that's actually going to be doing like the sell and closing the deal. You just connect people to him. So how this looks in practicality is you reach out to the followers, right? You find out if they're interested. Let's say you're selling a SMA coaching program, right? You find out they're interested in SMA, why they want to do it, what they're kind of doing for work, you know, how long they've been wanting to achieve X outcome from SMA, what's been stopping them from making things work, why they want to act now, not in the future. And then once you've made sure they've got enough money to invest, there's urgency, they're sold in the program, they're sold in the coach, then you book them in for a call like I said, the closer, and then that's it. You don't have to handle anything else. No sales, no fulfillment, no marketing, no bullshit. Just literally take all the leads coming in from the marketing, warm them up a little bit, get them a bit hyped up, find out they've got money, send them to the actual sales rep. You're just the middleman between everything. Everything just flows through you and you make money for it. It's literally that simple. You just talk to people, find out if they're interested, find out they have money, and then send them through. No sale, no pushing us, no marketing, nothing crazy. Just conversing with people, you know? Now you might be thinking, okay, Martin, this sounds all good, but how much can I actually make? Well, the industry standard is you make 5% commission on every single sale. So let's say you sell a $10,000 coaching program, you make $500 if that deal goes through. You know, you book them in, you send them to the closer. If the closer closes the deal, that's $500 for you. Meaning if you're managing to book in 3 to 4 appointments a day, let's say 2 close, that's 1K days, literally. And that is being very, very realistic. Like 50% close rate is very, very normal and average. So if you're booking for qualified appointments, they all show up, then 50%, 2 of them get sold to, that's $1,000 for you in your pocket. Of course, this varies based on like the ticket price. Some programs cost only $2,000, meaning you're making $100, but some cost more. Like me personally, I've sold $18,000 programs. So you can make anywhere from 2-3K a month. Let's say if you're working 2-3 hours a day, you got 9 to 5, you're studying, you want to do like a little side hustle, you can easily make 2-3K a month, you know, online. But if you're willing to put like all of your time in the street, like a full-time thing, you know, put in 8, 10, 12 hours a day, it's unlimited how much you can earn with this. Like me, I made 6K a month working around 5, 6, 7 hours a day, which is nothing too crazy. Imagine if I'd worked even more, I could have easily hit 8, 10K a month. And I know other sellers that are doing so. And some offers give you like base pays, retainers, meaning they pay you $500, $1,000, $2,000 to stick with them as a base, and then you get commissions on the side, meaning you can make even more money. So how can you get best started? Well, there's multiple things to cover. First of all, you actually need to learn the skill of appointment setting. It's very, very simple, but it's not easy. You still need to understand sales principles and sales knowledge. Like I said, it's a sales position. It's not just talk to people. You need to know how to ask the right questions, overcome certain objections, and so on. You can learn this through free resources online. Like for example, I've made on my YouTube, should pop up right up here, I've made a completely free guide explaining exactly how to appointment set and breaking down the whole script, the whole framework on how to actually sell to people. Or you can find yourself a mentor to mentor you one-to-one, follow you, teach you the basics, and basically like hold your hand throughout the whole journey. Choice is yours. And number two, now you've learned to appointment set, how to actually find people to appointment set for. Well, actually, I've made the video breaking down exactly how to do this yourself, how to find offers through job boards, networking, and placement. It's breaking down. The video should be up here. Say that you watched later, check that out right after this video, and you'll be golden how to find offers. You don't have to worry about that again in your life. So yeah, now you've got your sales skills in place, you've got an offer. Now it's time to actually perform. So make sure you're actually showing up every single day, giving your absolute best, learning, implementing. Of course, you're not going to be perfect from the start. Just keep showing up, learn, make mistakes, learn again. Find someone to hold you accountable. Find someone to give you a feedback loop. Review your conversation yourself. Find friends to review yourself. Find yourself a mentor if you have to give you again feedback on mistakes you might be making, on places where you might be losing bookings. And basically you have to show up every single day, be consistent, get better and better and better, review your work, implement the feedback, so on and so on, and soon enough you'll be making your first month appointment setting. And realistically, you can see money very quickly. For example, some people I've worked with, one of my guys, his name is Bata, he's a Serbian. Within the second day ever worked with me, he made 300 euros in commissions. And I've got guys that have made $700 their first week on an offer, and now I've got like guys that are making $1,000 a week, again 2-3 months into the whole appointment setting space. So if you're hungry and you're very serious, you can make your first money literally within 1 to 2 weeks. If you actually give your all, you apply like a monster, you apply to all the efforts you can, you network like a beast, you show up, you learn everything you can, you actually go into the offer, you perform, you outwork everyone else, you learn, you hop on calls, find out everything. If you do everything and you're super hungry, literally within 1 to 2 weeks, you can be making anywhere from $200 to like $1,000. So that is basically, it's how teenagers all over the world are making thousands of dollars just with their friends from their Instagram. Like, if you want to be like that cool friend which is in the corner making money, no one knows how, this is how. Like, this is exactly what I was doing. My friends were like, what the fuck are you doing? Like, are you like selling drugs? What the fuck are you doing? So basically, you book appointments, you get paid. Very simple, very clean work. Like I said, it can happen very quickly. Literally within weeks, you can see a result. So like I said, once again, check out both my guide on how to find offers and my guide breaking down actually how to set. They'll both be linked down below in the description or tagged somewhere up here. Check those out. You have full clarity and you're ready to crush it, bro.